Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh Online Edition from 1 to 5 February 2021. Short feature on Bueller Solutions Engineering Customer Success.
AGIEMEA's work efficiency.
We see our own products and company at the top class of sector. We trust our quality and products.
China is now the world's largest GDP, surpassing the United States.
Meeting was held at the ICCB in Dhaka on the occasion of the 10th Agro-Tech Bangladesh 2021.
Short feature on Agakli Group in Turkey.
And on GMO corn in Mexico farm lobby blasts, organic farmers welcome it.
Tariff on rice imports has been reduced by more than half, it has to be paid 25%.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
And Mill Tech Istanbul, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.